Mga kapuso, mag-kat-on kita sa backyard gardening ug karong buntaga makauban nato dinhi sa programa ang agriculturist Sir Bernard Dianes. Mayong buntag, Sir Bernard, kumusta?
Hi, good morning. Doing fine.
Sir, very interesting kayo ang ato ang topic nga hisgutan karong buntaga ang backyard gardening. But first of all, sir, kanusa ka nagsugod ni aning pagkahilig nimo, sir, sa gardening?
Way back, mga 9 years old ako, but it intensified when I was 3 years ago.
Sa mga gustong magsugod ni ini, sir, unsa jud ang mga kailangan nilang mga materyales para makasugod sila sa ilang urban gardening?
So, to start urban gardening, you have to consider opportunity. The thing with opportunity is you're able to see more clearly. You're able to see the materials available in your backyard. You're able to see the vacant lawn. You're able to see friends who are able to help with you. So these resources will fulfill a very fulfilling task, especially urban gardening, gardening ornamentals, and edibles. We also accept guests and walk-ins if you need to be educated. We could do site planning, we could ocular visit, and especially you need soil. So if you're considering you don't have a big lawn or a big backyard, you could do container gardening. So that is very efficient thing to do still.
Talking about soil, sir, nga mao joy labing importante sa pagpananom. Unsa ang mga soil ang sagad ninyong ginagamit, sir, para sa inyong pagtanom sa mga vegetables?
Soil is a mixture of live microorganisms. So the more we put life on the soil, the more we put organisms with it, the more we put organic matter with it, the more the soil becomes rich.
Og sir, unsa ang mga lagot mon, sir, nga maoy sayon kayong ipatubo kung doon na kay backyard garden?
Chai, kangkong, kamuti tops, alubati, which others we could buy at the market and plant your own. And you can provide talong, kamatis, and throughout they will give you seeds. And this is very important, especially the green leafy vegetables.
And now, this time, sir, you mentioned about the significance of planting veggies in our backyard, ilabi na karon nga adunay pandemya. Gawas ni ano, sir, unsay mga benepisyo nga makuha nato kung aduna tay ato ang kaugalingong produce?
Yes, having your own produce is like printing your own money. So if you grow your own food, you are able to be a radical person. You are able to fight against the economy of poverty. You are able to produce your own food. You don't have to work hard to claim your health. You are able to claim it by yourself.
Urban gardening, sir, daghan usab ni siya ng mga daghan tag masugatan usab nga problema sa baniining pagtubo sa mga weeds. Unsaon pagkontrolar niini, sir?
So weeds is not really a problem. It is an indication that you have good soil. That's why weeds are growing. So if you want to kill a certain weed, you can use a herbicide. If you don't have time to buy herbicide, the agri-vet is far from you. You could use your urine. You could store it for 7 days and spray it on a certain weed.
O gawas ni ining pagpananom sa backyard nato, sir, aduna ba kamoy laing mga programa nga makatabang usab para sa ato ang mga kapuso o sa ato ang katilingban?
Yes, we have other programs, especially eco-breaking from Seed for Com, which is piloted by Dan Gis. It is a way of recycling plastic waste from your house and put it inside a certain kind of container like mineral water. You put your plastic inside of it. We are also here every Sunday. We are promoting urban gardening at 4 o'clock here at Alisay, Cebu.
And before we end our interview, Sir Bernard, unsang imuhang mensahe nga gusto ibilin sa ato ang mga viewers?
Planting is an easy thing to do, but people are not doing it. But if most of us are doing it and we change the way how we eat, especially we eat more plant-based diet, and we eat less of meat, which caused some of the pandemic happening in us, we could help ourselves.
Daghang salamat, Sir Bernard, sa imuhang mensahe o sa imuhang mga impormasyon nga gipaambit this morning.
You're welcome, and it's a privilege.